Good evening. It is March 15th, 2016, and we're going to take a look at a recap for the emini S&P futures contract. Just real quickly, I know we did it yesterday, but I'll try and continue with the broad overview. We're above this key level here and continue to be, long-term bullish on getting back to this 2061 area or the upper end of this resistance area at 2090 area. So what happened was, remember yesterday we merged these two profiles and these two. Wide-ranging day. Then we gap up, hold this level right here. It came, within one tick, if you look at a smaller time frame chart, and then rallied, finished strong. But then we weren't strong here, and so we have a two-day balance area here. So today we open here. So yesterday I talked about how I was, continued bullish, looking for further upside. But in order for there to be, really great upside potential, B in terms of A scenario and B scenario, I can think of two ideas for great trades. B scenario would be opening up within this two-day balance and kind of testing the edge of it here and then rallying, looking to get above this area here. A scenario is opening above the two-day balance and kind of maybe testing this area, and that's when you can really have some upside potential. Today was the worst situation for that. There was no expectation for continued upside beyond of this two-day balance. It's because we opened below the main distribution here. So really it's in no man's land between here, this area for sure, and potentially what we saw was this area right here was crucial. That was also the overnight low. If you take a look at, here's the overnight profile. Here's today's regular trading session. We just kind of opened, took it out, and rotated back up here. So, opportunities during the day today. 15-minute chart here. Again, you can see on this composite volume profile, we have two very clear low volume areas, and that was exactly what defined the majority of the trade today. But we did have some clues. We rejected this area here, and again, lows from 2 days ago, as well as those overnight lows that we talked about, as well as being that perfect gap fill. We came up and there were sellers at yesterday's low. But look at these rotations, look at where the volume builds. It's not really it's unable to get back down and test those lows and potentially take those lows out. It's just kind of holding in here. And sure enough, that leads to an expectation for further upside. And at about 1:30 Eastern time today, I put a tweet out there. I'm trying to pull it up here. Here we go. (1:31 p.m. today). Expectation now for rotation up to 2007 area. So 1:30 was right when we were breaking past this low volume area here, after consolidating here, not going back down to test those lows. A lot of checks in our favor here. So at this point, I said, okay, 2007, which is the VPOC from the past 2 days, right lined up. You can see the high volume over here in the composite. That's the expectation to get to that level. And sure enough, right into the final seconds of the close, right after 4 p.m., it ticked right there at 2007. So I thought that was a decent opportunity. You could have either got involved here, or you could have gotten involved on the retest, the pullback kind of trade there. I did so on the pullback personally, and then actually I didn't get 2007 exactly when I saw this rejection here, and the order flow started to shift. I just got out here for, I think I got a point shy of 2007. But that was the opportunity that I saw there. And again, going forward, it just depends on, really now I would say, well, we have a 3-day balance here. So let's merge it, adjust our value area. So it looks like, in order for this profile, if it's going to really mature, we could do some filling in this area. See this kind of low volume carved out period here. So either we fill in here, or we again open outside of this, and then at that point we would look for either places to get long here or places to get short here, and look for more reversion back into this value down here. So that's the expectations, and that's all I got today. Hope that was helpful.